Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC. So this is just a beginner's guide. We're going to go over it just in like 3 minutes and hopefully you can catch up. So I'm just going to select a video from the stock videos here and I'll just select this one. This is to change the frame ratio. I'm just going to select this. You can use keyframes here, so add in a keyframe here, and then like here you can zoom in and you can even rotate it. I just want to rotate it a little bit, and then here you can double click to select the same size as well as the rotation. You can stabilize, enhance image, etc, etc. Here you can speed things up and you can slow things down as well. So let me just split that. So to speed things up, you're just going to slide it to the right. To slow things down, you're going to slide it to the left, and you can even add smooth slow motion and add in the optical flow one. You can add in curves as well for a different approach. And you can also add in filters, stickers, captions, effects, like that. You can remove background from a video. You can also, here I'll show you. You can also remove green screen as well here by going to the chroma key section, adjust the intensity a little bit, and you can also overlay stuff here, and you can blend that together using the opacity mode. You can also mask stuff as well here. Let's go and select mask. You can use any of these shapes and you can feather it out as well. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!